All right, everybody, we're back with another Lit Reviews with your boy, Brandon, aka the Bruzzinator. And you can catch me on TikTok. You can catch me on Twitch. And you can catch your boy on Instagram. Right now, I know I sound a little nasally because I'm sick and I'm trying to fight through it. But I want to make sure I got a video out for you guys today. And you know me, I like to party. So, we got a special treat for you, another Five Below Friday, something I picked up Five Below, that'll get your party started. So, without further ado, let's get lit. All right, so we got something from Five Below today. I hope you guys are excited. I am too. I kind of want to test this out. I hope it works. But this is a sound-activated disco party light. Let me pull it up for you guys right there. Got it at Five Below. I'm not sponsored, just your brother balling on a budget. So he's got to make it affordable. I think this one is actually $5. Another one I'll have an upcoming video, I think was $7. This one was $5, so manageable. Let me open this up here for you. Hasn't been opened yet. Let's see what we got here. What we working with? What we working with here? All right, a little bubble wrap. You can't even hear it, but get the bubble wrap out the way. Okay. This doesn't look half bad out the box. So it's like a clear plastic. You can see like the board that everything's hooked up to. You see all the little diodes and stuff like that. On the front, this is Iconic. I don't think it's a button or anything, but yeah. And you got your USB cord that goes with it. So we just gotta plug this up. See all the little lights in here too? All the lights, it's supposed to be sound activated. I got a little royalty-free music already queued up for you. So let's get this thing plugged up. See how it works. Get this little twist tie off. Then I'm just gonna unplug this. Remind myself to plug it up later. Oh, and by the time you guys see this, this Saturday is my daughter's birthday. She turned 7, so I'm super excited to see her turn 7. It's crazy how fast and how quick it happened, but it happened. She's gonna be 7. All right, let me plug this up here for you. All right, got it plugged up here. Oh, okay. Look at you lights. Boom. Boom, look at that. I think maybe you can mount this on a wall. It's got little 2 holes here, so if you have nails, you can plug it to the wall. This is what we're working with here. Let's see how it's sound activated though. Let's see. Let me play this music real quick. It's not really doing a sound activated thing. Maybe closer to the speaker, let me find out. No, it's not changing. Interesting, let's find out why it's not changing. Didn't miss no instructions. Oh, I had high hopes for this. I thought this was going to do really well. But I don't see a setting or a switch for it to sound activate it. Probably a little misleading. We'll try something else. We'll try something else. Let's see. All right, let me crank the music up. Nope. Let's just pick a song. As long as I don't play it long enough, we shouldn't get in trouble.
Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this night,
Nothing.
Sexy for that jack, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain.
Yeah, I'm gonna say that this is a dud. It did not do what it was supposed to. It lit up 1, 2, 3, 4 lights green, and that's about as far as it took it. That's kind of disappointing. I'm gonna have to give this a 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10 on the scale. It lit up, which is what it's supposed to do, is light up. But it obviously didn't sound activate. It didn't do what it was supposed to do other than light up a little bit. You can't get the party started with something like this. People will laugh at you. I'm glad I tested it out for you so you don't have to get laughed at. Let me put that. The kids will break that. I'll let them break that. That's fine. I throw that in the garbage. So I would not recommend buying that because it didn't even work. Now, if 4Conic or Aconic sees this review and goes, hey, our stuff does work and they want to send me something, go for it. Feel free. I'll re-review it and see if it works. But if it don't work, I'm not endorsing it. I can't say that it's good. So take that. Everything else is right. You know, it's easy. You plug it in, it's USB. Super easy packaging. Box looked nice. I felt like this box is gonna give me a party. I felt like I was gonna just, oh man, next cookout, baby, it's going down. I'm throwing, throwing the lights on, but nah, not this time. So, just want to let y'all know. Next week we'll do a secret word. This week, I don't feel like giving a secret word this week. It'll keep you on your toes. I hope you expect this every week. Keep you on your toes. But like always, I will see y'all next time. So stay lit, stay bruzzy, stay you. Peace.